Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Omaya and I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video to this channel. So, you guys, I'm so excited about today's video in particular because the time has come to redesign my closet. I've been wanting to do this since day one that we moved into this house, but you know, we have to set priorities. And Muhammad was like, okay, eventually we'll get to what you want to do, but let's just focus our time into what people see when they come into the house. And I agree with him, so that's why we took a lot of our time to you know, remodel the TV area because it was just a plain wall, and we added bricks and cabinets and marble, so it's, alhamdulillah, it's really nice. We also did a little something in the hallway. I don't think I've showed you guys what we've done, but you know what, actually I should leave all of that for one video. Yes, I'm gonna do that. I'm actually going to do a house tour soon. I just need to finish just a couple of things and then I'm going to give you guys a house tour because many of you have been asking for one, and this is the time. I feel like it's been 2 years, almost 3, I think going to 3. And yeah, I should do an updated house tour for you guys. But anyways, let's just talk about today's video. Time has come to finally redesign my closet. I have so much clothes. My mom actually came the other day and helped me declutter my closet because I had way too much, and she pretty much took 3 full luggages with her. I have like 2 or 3 full bags of clothes that I'm planning on donating to our local masjid. And I also have 1 bag full of clothes that I'm planning on selling. I don't know yet how I'm gonna go about it, but just keep an eye on it on my Instagram page, because I will most likely announce it on there and just guide you guys on where to go if you want to buy anything that I'm selling. So yes, with that being said, I still have a lot of clothes that I don't have room for, but that I love so much and I just don't want to give away. So I told Muhammad, okay, this is a time that we have to reorganize, redesign my closet, because I need to you know, just utilize the walls better. We have the standard white wired shelves, and they're not sturdy enough. I feel like we're not utilizing the entire space, the entire wall as well as I know I can. And because I have a lot of clothes, I know that there's a better way of redesigning my closet to fit everything that I have. You guys, if you've watched my empty house tour, then you've noticed that Muhammad was kind enough to give me both master bedroom closets because I need it more than he does. So yeah, with that being said, I still need to utilize the space better, fit all of my clothes. Woo! So I was on Pinterest, as I usually am, and I found something that I feel like will work great for my closet, and I'll show you a picture right here. This right here is exactly what I was looking for, and it just works well for my space, for my closet space. So Muhammad and I thought, you know, why not do it ourselves? Like, it looks super easy. All we have to do is basically go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get the wood shelving, and then the poles and a couple other stuff. It looked very easy. I saw it on YouTube. So yeah, we changed the plans. We're not gonna do it ourselves. I don't know who was I trying to fool myself and get Muhammad involved with this when he is not like a handy person at all. So we actually found a family friend that this whole time knew how to do it. And well, we're gonna go to Lowe's today, right now. I'm actually just waiting for him to arrive. And we're gonna go to Lowe's and Home Depot, see which one is cheaper, because I'm going to do both closets. However, I'm gonna start with one first, just to vibe it out, to see the vibe, you know, to make sure that everything is exactly how I envision it in my head. And yeah, we're gonna go to both and see which one's cheaper and possibly start tomorrow. Yeah! You have no idea. This is so exciting for me. So in this vlog, I am planning on showing you obviously the materials that we buy, how much they cost, give you guys a total just in case if you want to redesign your own closet, then you get an idea of how much it will cost. I also want to show you the process of putting it together, but I also don't want to be in the way because I know when you start, like, you don't want people around you and possibly distract you from what you're doing. So I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can, like, you know, where each piece goes and, you know, the whole thing. I don't know much about this, but I'm gonna try to show you where each piece goes and, you know, how to connect them and how to put them all together. And obviously show you the final result. Duh. So, I'm so excited. I can't even hold it in. I'm gonna stop blabbing and go ahead and put my shoes on and show you guys the entire process. Actually, before I do that, I do want to show you my closet so you get an idea of what it looked like prior to making the changes, so you get a little feel of it, you know, a little vibe. I could have cleaned up, but I'm not gonna clean it because I'm going to eventually just, like, you know, move all the clothes out, so there's no point of organizing it. So I'm just gonna show you how my closet looks right now. Don't judge, okay? Okay, let's go. To quickly show you what my closet looks like right now. This is the one that we'll be working on today. You can see, like, it's pretty nice and color coordinated because that's the best way of finding all of my clothes. Up top, this is a complete mess. I also like to keep it color coordinated, but it's a big mess. But guys, this is not even it. This is not even half of it. Let me show you the real disaster. Boom! Right here. Okay, so that box over there where you see the Dillard's bag over, and these two bags, and I'm actually going to give this away to my local mosque, and she actually took 3 luggages filled with clothes that she's going to gift to some of our families in Palestine. But this right over here, this is still clothes that I wear on a regular. I have some sweaters here, pajamas, and I don't know, it's a mess over here. So today is day 2, the day that we actually get to start with my closet. We bought everything that we needed yesterday, and our family friend is actually on the way to my house to get everything started. So since he's on the way to my house, I'm actually gonna go and empty out my closet. I know I should have done this yesterday or the day before, but I didn't get the chance to. So I'm gonna ask Muhammad to help me real quick, remove everything, empty it out, and clean it. Okay guys, so Muhammad is going to explain step by step what we have done to the room.
Yes, so as you can see here, we emptied out the shelves that were in this closet, and we put these sticks here that are for adjustable shelves that we are going to place up here, in the middle, and throughout this whole closet. The reason why we did this option is because Omaya is very undecisive. One day she wants a shelf up here, one day she wants it here, one day she doesn't want a shelf at all. So this is a perfect option for people like Omaya that want it up, middle, or down.
Someone that cannot make up their mind, for sure.
Exactly. So
like, it's not appealing in any way, but I will say this, your clothes will cover it. So you don't have to worry about anything showing because it will cover. And obviously, we had to patch all the old holes that the old shelf that was placed in this room made. So we patched them, and we obviously need to paint it.
And then what we're gonna put
above it,
is the shelves. So what my Tio did was he got the shelf right here.
It's just a regular white shelf, but to add some texture and length, we bought this crown molding or mold, whatever you call it, and attached it to the wood itself, so that way it looks much more appealing and nicer. And
then, of course, you see here.
Oh, okay.
These are the most important part.
Yes, these are the brackets that you also drill through the shelf itself.
Yes. And
that way you make sure that once you adjust the shelf to this bar, it will not fall on you.
Exactly.
Pretty much. So
and also, so as you can see here, it's drilled with some nails. So on the flip side here, you can buy covers from Walmart or Home Depot, or you can paint over it. Ultimately, it just depends on what use you have for this. Yeah. Because with Omaya, it's clothed, so she definitely needs to cover it because she doesn't want to put like a shirt or a dress and then like you know, it gets tangled up on it and messes up. But if you're just putting it for storage, you're fine. So
it just really depends on how picky you are. Exactly.
So as you can see, it's empty right now. We got a few little touch-ups to do. We got to put these bad boys up. Or should I say, I got to put these up. Because Omaya, first of all, can't reach. And then we'll check with you in just a little bit.
Oh, you're funny. Okay, so Muhammad is so over it right now. Oh my God, babe, you're sweating like crazy. Thank you so much, though.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like right now.
Yeah.
Pretty decent. So I just wanted to quickly say that we bought these poles from Walmart, and they came in white. And we bought this gold paint and just painted it so that way we get this exact color that I wanted for my room because we couldn't find gold poles for the closet. Yep. So just wanted to quickly say that before we start putting in my clothes in here. So today is day 3 and I finally organized my closet and can't wait to share it with you guys, so come on in.
Okay. Oh.
Ta-da!
Wow. You put this all together?
I sure did. I went to sleep like at 3 a.m. because it took forever to fold all of these clothes, color coordinate everything, and also change some of the hangers. Like I bought this huge box that came with 100 velvet hangers, but it wasn't enough. So this bottom shelf, or all of this bottom part, I think the bottom part, it's still all of my old hangers, that weren't matching. So I
like what you did with the colors, though.
Thank you. I have to go back and get more of the velvet hangers that I use up there. We're finally done and I'm so excited. I'm so happy every time I open the door and see this closet because it's organized and I feel like I've utilized the space pretty well. Only thing that is left is to put a mirror.
Let me see.
Which I'm thinking about putting right over here, maybe like glue it onto the wall itself. Okay. So that way it's easy for me to make outfits. But yeah, I'm so excited.
It looks so nice.
I just want to quickly tell you guys how much this all came out to be. So usually if you do this with a professional, with a company, this will be somewhere around, I don't know, like 1,500, you think?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Somewhere, we were quoted around 1,500 to 2,000.
Yeah.
But since we did it ourselves, and alhamdulillah, we had a family friend that helped us, the materials and everything that we've used was underneath $400. Like somewhere in between, how much was it? Like $370?
Like around there, yeah, $370.
Something like that. And that's because we went with like really good quality, but you can even get it cheaper than that if you're not picky at all. So I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case if you wanted to do something similar to this, it will cost you somewhere underneath $400. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. So now.